Hello all, in this video we are going to see how to install CP4S in Airgap environment. So for this we have two options. One is installation through Bastion host and another one is a portable computer device. So today we will see how to install with Bastion host. So this is the block diagram of Bastion host, how Bastion host is connected to the Airgap cluster. So you can see the image repository is outside, that is in the network, and your Bastion host is also connected with that, and it is connected with your isolated network. So first we will mirror the images from repository to Bastion host, and then we will push that to the local repository. So we will see how to do that with command lines. The prerequisite software for these installations are Docker or Podman. This is used to container management, and then Red Hat OpenShift CLI, which is used to Red Hat OpenShift Container Platform Administration. And the third one is IBM Catalog Management plugin for Red Hat OpenShift CLI. So this is used to mirroring and installing Cloud-Pak for security. So we will see how to get this OpenShift CLI on your system. So run this command, pull the image of IBM Cloud-Pak. Then extract the plugin. Then move it to the extracted plugin to your user local bin directory. You can verify it with the command version. So we have 1.10.3. Now export the case name, that is ibm-cp-security, and a case version, that is 1.0.29, so which is the latest one. Then download the IBM Cloud-Pak for security installer and image inventory to your mirroring device by typing the command. So this will download the mirroring images. Now export the target registry. Here I am using the local registry IP address and the port. So you can specify your respective host and port here. Now generate the mirror manifest to use when you mirror images to the target registry. So for this, use the following command. So the generating mirror manifest is done. You can see the message is successful message. Now export the registry auth file, that is the config file of your Docker or Podman. Then try to log in with repository cpicr.io using the user entitlements. You can see the login is successful. Then again export the registry auth file, that is your Docker config file, so that it will cache your user credentials when you try to log in. So you can see the login is successful. Now you can mirror the images to your local registry with the command oc image mirror. You can specify the path of your images mapping text. Then you can specify the registry auth files, and you can mention the options that insecure as well as skip multiple scopes. So this will, if you are doing it for the first time, it will take almost one hour, and when you are doing it repeatedly, so it will just copy the delta images. So now you can see the mirroring is completed. So we will log into the OCP cluster with the command OCP login. So specify the OpenShift URL, username, and the password which you are going to use for your OCP cluster. Now we will update the global image pool secret for our OCP cluster. So for this, run this command. Here specify the pool secret location and execute this command. So basically this command is getting the secrets and pushing it to the local file, that is pool secret. Now update the credentials of your local repository to the pool secret file. So use the command oc registry login, then registry name, then specify the username and password to the pool secret. Now update the global pool secret in cluster by typing the following command. So the secrets which we updated in pool secret file get updated to the global pool secret of the cluster. So it is already configured or already updated, so it does not get changed. Now check the status of your cluster. So if there is any node is in updating state, just hold on, do not proceed for the next processes. Once that updation of cluster is done, then proceed with the next commands. Verify that if any image content source policy is defined in your cluster or not. So for this, use this command. So it says no policy is defined, so we will define it with the command oc apply -f path of the file. So now the image content source policy is created. You can verify it with the abovely executed command. So now you can see the ibm-cp-security image content source policy is created before 13 seconds. Again, now check the status of your node of your cluster. So you can see the updating column is true. That means nodes are getting updated. So wait till the time all the nodes get updated. Now you can see all the nodes are updated. There is no update pending. So we can proceed for the next steps. So now export the cp4s namespace. So we are specifying here is as a cp4sec. Then extract the cloud-pak for security case by typing command. So this get extracted at the given location, that is /.ibm-pk data cases case name case version, then ibm-cp-security case version .t.gz. Now update the values.conf file for the your custom specific values. So specify the admin user here as, then update the property Airgap install as true. Then specify the domain if you want to specify FQDN. Then specify the path of domain certificate. Then specify the domain certificate key path. So other options are optional. You can skip that. So specify the image pull policy as always, because this will pull the images which are not present on the cluster. Then specify the repository as your local repository /cp4s, or the one which you specified. Here repository username, specify it as a local repository username. And you need to specify the repository password. So with this, save the changes to this values.conf file. So after updating the values.conf, you have to again archive the values.conf file. Once you are done with the updating the values.conf file, we have to archive the cloud-pak for security case. So use the command. So with this, we are done with the prerequisite or the necessary steps for the installation. So now we will start with the installation step. So you can initiate the installation with the command. So with this, we have started the installation. So this will take almost 1 to 1.5 hours for installation. So with this, case launch script is completed successfully. So we can verify the progress of installation with the command. So this script will verify the progress of your installation. Once the installation is done, you can log into the cp4s. So once the installation is complete, log into the OCP cluster and navigate to the networking site. Select the option routes. Under the project cp4s, you can see there is a URL for ISC route default. So click on this. It will navigate you to the cp4s login page. So you can see multiple options to log in. Select Enterprise LDAP. So now you can log in with the user which you configured in OpenLDAP. Specify the username and password. You will log into the cp4s. So this is all about installing cp4s on Airgap cluster environment. Thank you for watching.